Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new and Happy New Year! To be showing you my perfume collection. I am just obsessed with perfumes and I have accumulated quite a few, so I thought it'd be really fun to show you all of the beautiful bottles and talk you through some of my favourite scents. So if you like the sound of that, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click the button down there or click my face and it would really help me out if you subscribed. Really grateful for everyone who's already subscribed to my channel. I know I have quite a few new subscribers and I'm so glad to have you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you like this channel. It's just filled with lots of pink prettiness, lots of fashion, beauty, lifestyle content. Yeah, I just love posting pretty things on the internet, so I'm really glad to have you. So please do subscribe and also leave a big thumbs up on this video, and you can feel free to follow me on Instagram as well if you like, because there's always lots of more pink content on there. Okay, so what I've done is I have my cute little setup behind me. I got these really cute little fairy lights for Christmas and I put them inside a Victoria's Secret bag, and I think they look so pretty because they've got pink pearls on them and the pink is the exact same pink as Victoria's Secret bag, so I thought they looked adorable. And I have got a little tray with all of my high-end perfumes up there, so I'm going to do my kind of Victoria's Secret ones first and then I'll go through my high-end scents. So personally, I like a really kind of sweet scent. I like fruity kind of tropical scents as well, and I'm not so into like really floral perfumes or very musky dark perfumes. I'm more kind of a light floral or light fruity sweet kind of candy scent. So that is the kind of perfumes that I like to go for. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, then I can hopefully make some really good recommendations to you. Well, first off, I'm going to go through my Victoria's Secret body sprays that I love. I'm obsessed with them. I kind of find it really difficult to go into the store without buying another, but one of the ones that I've had for the longest time that I repurchase like a lot is the Coconut Passion, and it's insane. It is coconut and vanilla. It just smells so good. I have one here and then I also keep one in my work so that I can spritz throughout the day to freshen up. I just love this scent. I have actually been to Hawaii. I have a vlog on it. I went a couple of years ago and that's what obviously inspired the name of my channel, and this reminds me so much of Hawaii. I love when scents just kind of make you think of something like a really lovely holiday, or like maybe it reminds you of Christmas or something, and this just reminds me of Hawaii because I think I bought that there. It's incredible. It's just so like sweet, and vanilla is just such a lovely scent, but with that kind of hint of coconut as well. It's just really nice. I always get loads of compliments when I wear this. However, my boss absolutely hates the smell of coconut, so whenever I spray this in work he's always like, ooh, I don't like that, but I personally love it, so that doesn't stop me wearing it. And also on the theme of coconut, I have a pink body lotion which is also coconut scented, so I tend to kind of use those two together, and this is, oh, it's so good. Like, it's so fresh and coconutty. It's incredible, and look how beautiful that bottle is. It's so pretty. Okay, so next, while we're talking about Hawaii, the next perfume or body spray that I have is, again, one of my, well, they're all my favourites. I just love them all. At the beginning of the summer, I went into Glasgow Victoria's Secret and saw this and just thought, I can't not buy this. This is so on brand, and it is Aloha from Paradise. I mean, it's pink, it has Aloha in it. I'm Aloha Amy. It's just meant to be. So this is a gorgeous bottle. It has little surfboards and like a kind of travel stamp with a little airplane on it and things. It's so cute, and it says that it is juicy nectarine, exotic blooms, surfs up. It's insane. I just adore this. It's very fruity and, like they said, exotic. It's just really nice, but it's also a lovely soft scent. It just really does remind me of holidays as well. And then I also have the matching body lotion to that, which is so pretty. I love having matching body lotions and body sprays. Then in the summertime they also brought out these amazing scents. There was 4 and I saw them on Gabby's channel and I had to buy these. I went into Glasgow pretty much specifically to buy these and I ended up smelling all 4 of the body sprays and I went for Cake Confetti. Oh my gosh, like it genuinely smells like cake. It's incredible. So it says it's vanilla cream, marshmallow sprinkles, slice of heaven, and that is exactly what it is. It is insanely good. It's so pretty with the bottle with the sparkles and the sprinkles. It's just adorable and I love the mint green. It smells so sweet and sickly, but it's amazing. Like it really does smell like vanilla and marshmallows, and this one lasts really long on the skin, I find, and I've used a lot of this. I really love it. One day I walked into uni and I sat down and my friend turned around to me and said, oh my gosh, you smell like a cupcake. And she was exactly right. That is what you smell like when you wear this, and I think, why wouldn't you want to smell like a cupcake? It's incredible. I actually went into Glasgow a couple of days ago and went to Victoria's Secret hoping that they would have this back because I had seen it on a few people's Instagrams and YouTube. In fact, I saw on Tania Gonzalez, she posted that she had been to Victoria's Secret and that they brought back these scents, like the Candy Baby one as well. And I really was hoping to pick up another one of these and also the matching body lotion because I really wanted to get that. But I don't know why when I first bought this I didn't buy the matching one, didn't buy the matching lotion, and I really should have. So the next time I went back they were like, oh sorry, we're not doing that one anymore, and I was so annoyed. So I hoped it would come back, but they really didn't have many sprays left, to be honest. There was just lots of body lotions. They didn't even have the Christmas sprays left, which was a bit sad. But yeah. I also adore Victoria's Secret perfumes, and I have quite a few of them. So the first one that I think I ever bought was the Bombshell perfume, and I just have these all in roller balls because I think they're so easy to just pop on and throw in your bag and reapply throughout the day. I just think it's such a good idea. So this bottle is adorable as well. So this is the original Bombshell. It's like a very kind of grown-up scent to me, but it's still very sweet and I really love it. It's still very sweet, but it's a little bit stronger than, like, obviously Confetti Cake and the Coconut Passion one. It's not so fruity and like sickly, it's more strong, but I really love it and I feel like it's more of an evening scent. And then I also, in the summertime, I bought the Bombshell Paradise perfume, and this one is again really lovely, and it's very similar to Bombshell obviously, but it's just got that kind of tropical hint to it. You can definitely smell like kind of a more exotic tropical fruity vibe to it. And I would say it's a little bit more grown up and it has a really nice kind of strong scent. And then just the other day I bought the Bombshell Holiday perfume. So this is still in the box. It's so pretty. It's got like silver glitter and it matches my nails perfectly, and I really like this one as well. It says it is iced pomegranate, winter jasmine and birchwood. I decided to get it in the rollerball again because I have the other ones in that and I just think it's really convenient. It smells so good. It does just have a slightly more spiced scent to it, and I love that they just have like a different kind of variation of Bombshell every season. I think that's really nice, and I love just applying a little rollerball. And then also another rollerball which is delicious is Tease Dreamer from Victoria's Secret. It comes in this gorgeous little tube which is pastel blue and it has gold palm trees on it and pink bits. It's just so pretty, and this is like another Hawaii one. It's so beautiful. Like, look how pretty that packaging is. So lovely. And this smells, to me, smells very coconutty, and there's also a hint of vanilla to it. You can definitely really smell coconut on this one, so if you don't like coconut then I don't think you would like this, but I just love it. I have smelt the original Tease before but I don't have it, but I just thought that this Dreamer version of it in the summer was delicious, and it's very kind of summery and coconutty and very holiday vibes, and literally this is what Hawaii smells like. Next up I have another body spray which is technically not like a perfume, but it's actually a moisturising mist, and it's from Soap and Glory, and this is the Girly Go Spray On Body Moisturising Mist. Now this is the signature Soap and Glory scent. I think the Soap and Glory original scent is so distinctive. I also adore the Sugar Crush one, like it's so good, but this one is amazing. I've been using Soap and Glory for like years and years, since I was a teenager, and I just adore them. And I recently was gifted some items from Soap and Glory, which was so cool, and I also was sent this by my lovely friend Lauren. I won her giveaway and she gave me this, which took me way back to high school because I haven't used it since then, and it's so convenient. You know, when you come out the shower and it's kind of late at night and you can't be bothered moisturising, just spray on some of this and just moisturise it, kind of rub it into your skin quickly. It dries in really fast, smells amazing, and it leaves your skin really soft, and it has that amazing signature Soap and Glory sweet, lovely, fresh, clean scent. So the next perfume is actually my mum's, and she wanted me to show this because I bought this for her Christmas, I think last year, or maybe it was her birthday, and then I bought her a new one this Christmas because she'd ran out, and she quite often uses the Victoria's Secret sprays. I think her favourite one is Mango Temptation. However, I bought her this one from the Body Shop and it is so beautiful. So this is the Japanese Cherry Blossom, which is an amazing scent in itself, but this is the Strawberry Kiss version. So it's this beautiful bottle, and this is just amazing. It's a sweet strawberry scent. It smells like, you know, like a strawberry tart. That's what this smells like. It's so incredible. And I also got her the matching body lotion, and these smell so good together. Absolutely insane. So I mentioned before that I have the Coconut Passion body spray at work as well as at home, and I also have the Pure Seduction by Victoria's Secret spray, and I keep that at work because I like to just have another one there, and I don't have an extra one at home though, sadly, to show you, but it is such a nice scent. I think it's Red Plum and Freesia that's in it, and it just has that really kind of, again, more grown-up scent, but it's still really fruity and sweet, and I really love that one as well. So now moving on to more of my high-end perfumes. So firstly, I have a little spray bottle of Laura Mercier Tarte au Citron, and I had a full set of this. Like, I had the body lotion and the hand cream and the bubble bath, and oh my goodness, it's so good. This smells like lemon meringue pie to me. It's just incredible. It's very sweet, very sickly and lemony, but I really love this, and I highly recommend it. If you love lemons and fresh scents, then this is perfect for you. Then I really like the Juicy Couture perfumes as well, and I have a couple of little sprays of them. So this is the original Viva La Juicy, which is really nice. It's kind of, it's like a sweet scent, but it's more kind of strong with a little bit of a kind of floral hint to it. And then this one is the Viva La Juicy Gold Couture, which again is amazing. I think I prefer this one. Well, I do prefer this one. You can see I prefer the gold one. It just has a more kind of softer note to it. It's really good. Okay, so now moving on to my high-end ones up here. So firstly, let's talk about Daisy by Marc Jacobs. The bottles are beautiful. Personally, when I'm buying a perfume, I really want the bottle to look pretty. I know that sounds silly, but I like to display them, and I think it's nice to have a nice pretty bottle. So firstly, I really like the Daisy Oh So Fresh. So this is the original Marc Jacobs perfume, and this is the one that's the most kind of florally, and I adore this. I don't love a super strong floral scent, but this is just amazing. This perfume to me is just so feminine and pretty. It's just a very fresh floral scent, and it's very kind of spring, summery, really lovely, and it lasts a long time on your skin as well because it's so floral and fresh. And next I have another one of the Marc Jacobs perfumes, which is another Daisy one, and this is called Daisy Love. and it's adorable. It is the big size of it, and I got sent this. I won this in an Instagram giveaway with the fragrance shop, and they very kindly sent me this big massive bottle just when it came out, which was so cool. Like, how beautiful is that? It's all kind of baby pink and gold. It's just so pretty. And it is called the Daisy Love Marc Jacobs Oh So Sweet, and to me that just sounds like the perfect perfume, and it really truly is. It has that signature daisy scent, which is lovely and fresh, but it also has a really sweet hint to it, so it smells like sweeties to me, and it's really, really lovely. I love this one. Next I have two perfumes which I will show together, and these are by Nina Ricci. So this is one of the first perfumes that I ever got when I was younger, and it's so good. I have repurchased this before. It's incredible. It just smells really fruity and kind of very summery to me, and I'm all about summer scents. I just love summer, and I adore this one. I also have the blue version of this, and this is called Les Belles de Nina, and it's so lovely. It's just a little bit more sweet and kind of softer, and it's lovely, and I just think that bottle is really pretty. This perfume I was given as a gift, and I never really would have gone towards it before because I never actually heard of it, but this is DKNY Pure, and it is amazing. Like, I have been using this a lot over autumn and winter. It's a kind of floral scent, but it's very sweet, and it's not super strong, but it does last on your skin really well, so it's perfect for me because I kind of wanted a more kind of slightly stronger scent and not so sweet for kind of autumn winter time. It's a really lovely perfume. I actually really like the bottle. It smells very clean and kind of like clean washing to me, which is lovely. I really like it. Then for my 21st birthday I got to choose a perfume with some birthday money, and I literally smelt every single perfume in the perfume shop, the fragrance shop, Boots and Debenhams. I was walking around the shopping centre smelling every perfume until I decided. I'm so glad that I chose this one. It was worth smelling every perfume and getting a headache for. It's so incredible, and this is Prada Candy Gloss. I chose this one, which is different from the original Prada Candy. It's the gloss version. It has little lips on the box, which is really cute, and that's how you know it's a gloss one. And this literally does smell like sweets. It's so good. It kind of smells like fruit salad sweets, I think, and love hearts maybe. It has like a really sweet scent, but it also has that kind of like sour fizzy sweetie kind of vibe to it, if that makes sense, you know, like love heart sweets. So good. The bottle is adorable. I just love this, and this just reminds me of my 21st. I got a new perfume just the other day because I had some Christmas vouchers, and I chose this beautiful perfume from Giorgio Armani, and this is the scent C. It's called Fiori, and this is the pink box. And there's a red bottle which is C, but this is the pink one, and it smells incredible. It's very sweet and girly and feminine, and it's just incredible. It smells like sweets as well, so it's my perfect kind of scent, and it has a nice kind of fruity vibe to it as well, which I really love, and I highly recommend that. And also look how beautiful that bottle is. It looks so lovely on display. That's pretty much all of my perfume collection, minus a few that are downstairs, but that's most of them, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As you can tell, I adore perfume. I love smelling sweet and like a cupcake, and if you like that kind of thing as well, then I hope this helped you as well to get some good recommendations. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!